everybody, it's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. My name is Brianna and I go by Bree. Alright, so as you saw by the title, today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Again, hopefully this time it's gonna look decent. Hopefully this time I'll actually have some type of look coming together and we won't look like raccoons. I'm gonna try really bright colors and we're gonna see if I can actually do a cut crease. That is my goal, to make a cut crease today. So I'm gonna be practicing on this channel. You're gonna see me hopefully grow throughout, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Let's see how this goes. I already cleaned off my eyelids, like just in case, you know, for any like natural oils. However, I already have lashes on today. And I'm not gonna take them off because I have somewhere to be later. So I'm just going to like, hopefully, I'm gonna put it a little bit above my line because I don't want to get like any powder on my lashes. I want to show y'all this palette I got. So hopefully we can see these colors and they're bright. Alright, so this is the palette. Okay, this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Okay. And today, I don't know what colors I want to use because I want to do something that's bold. And I've never seen myself with hardly any of these colors on. I do have a little camo going on today. My necklace has some green, so maybe we'll do some green. Since we already have green on today, that's what we're gonna go with. Our color of the day is green. So I'm going to be using this portion of the palette. Maybe with the hint of this, with the hint of this one, we'll see. But we're gonna use most of the green tones in here. Might throw in a blue, a darker blue. Since this is the darkest color, I'm gonna be starting with this one on my crease about here. And we'll see what happens with that. A little DIY trick I learned about for making sure that this side is pretty straight and symmetrical on both sides. We're going to be using tape. Okay, I know y'all have seen this DIY hack already. I hardly ever do makeup, but since we're doing it today, like, might as well try the hack, you know? I'm gonna learn, y'all gonna learn with me if you don't know anything about like doing eye makeup. So now, I've seen videos and they say put it, okay, I'm gonna have to pull my hair back. I hate having so much hair. Okay, it's not the best ponytail, but here we go. Put my hair up now. So I have a piece of tape and I've seen that they say go to the corner of your eye. Do it, press it down like so. And yes, I did double up on the tape so that if I did have a lot of fallout, it would go farther down. Okay, is that a good angle? Oh, I can't even close my, oh, can't close my eyelid. Hold on. Well, I don't even know what I'm doing. We're learning together. So close my eye. Okay, there we go. We'll do it like so. I'm not a beauty guru, or at least not yet. I'm not one yet, but we're gonna get started. I'm gonna be starting off with this dark green right here. It's gonna be a little tricky because I'm not looking at a mirror. Right now I have y'all set up in front of my window and I left my like handheld mirror somewhere. So I'm going off of my camera right here. So we're gonna see how this goes. And I know y'all might be saying again, Bree, why are you using green? In the last video you used green and it wasn't the best color for you. Well, practice makes perfect. You learn from your mistakes. But we're just gonna try it again. And this looks way darker too, so we might have a little bit of something. These colors are very vibrant, as you can tell. Yeah, these colors are very vibrant, which I'm actually loving already. I want this look to be really bold because I know previously it was bold, but it wasn't the right kind of bold. Okay, comment down below if you like this video, if you like the fact that I'm actually like trying to learn. Like, I'm really trying, y'all. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. Make sure this end is sealed. I'm gonna do the other eye at the same time so that I could try to make them look pretty symmetrical. And we're gonna start with the green. Now if this was more defined, I would say like this could be a look with just the color like that, you know?
Okay, alright, Bree. Okay, sis.
Okay, I'm gonna clean this up just a tad so I can start with my next color. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with this green. And this is gonna go lower. And I'm trying to pack it more instead of blending, because I've been told packing it will help the colors stay together instead of blending. Which apparently in my last video I definitely over blended. Oh, this is kind of cute, y'all. Am I doing something? Am I doing something? Like, I think I'm doing something. Okay, sorry, I forgot to talk, but basically, I'm doing the exact same thing as I did on the last eye. Trying to put this yellow color towards the bottom. This is actually looking a little bit cute. I fall out all over my lashes. So I think I'm almost done with this like green yellow color. Just gonna pack it in a little more if I can. I felt like this was good. Okay, you know what? I think I need to blend. Here, let me clean off the brush and we're gonna start blending the top just a little bit. I'm not gonna go too much, but I'm gonna blend it a little. Just slightly blend. So comment down below what y'all think so far. Do y'all think I'm doing a way better job than before? Do y'all think that my techniques are getting a little bit better? Obviously this eye looks really like, it looks a lot cleaner than this one. Yeah, comment down below if you think I'm progressing. And if you have any tips, I would greatly appreciate it if you were like to share, you know, so that you can help others out. Like I said, I just want to learn, you know.
I just wanna learn, I just wanna learn, I just wanna learn. I wanna
learn. I figured out what the difference is. So this one, it looks cleaner, but it's also lower down on my like whole lid, my brow space. This one, it's kind of clean, but it's too high. So I'm gonna try to layer it with one more color. Oh, you know, I think it would look cute. Do y'all think it would be cute if I put like a blue in the middle, or am I just going too like wild? This is kind of cute though.
Is this a look? Is it a look?
I mean, would it be cute with the blue? Oof. I want to try blue. I'm gonna try blue in a minute. Oh, but here I go. Watch me start messing this up. Starts looking crazy because I want to be extravagant. But you know what?
Everybody makes mistakes. What? Everybody has those days. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Everybody has those.
Okay, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna just try to do an ombre. So I'm gonna put a dark blue. I'm putting this teal color. At least with my channel, you're learning what colors maybe don't go together. I mean, let's be real. I don't think a lot of the colors that I've used recently really go together. But somehow in my head, I think it does. I don't know. I mean, I feel like these do go together. But I think it's just a matter of like how you apply everything. So everything depends on how you apply. How you apply yourself to it and how it applies. And once again, comment down below if you know how high I should go on my lid, because I never know if I should go all the way up or just like partially, because I feel like I have a lot of brow space, and for me, I just don't know how high I should go with that. Oh my gosh, this blue there's like a little bit of green. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. Wait, do I? Oh, this is kind of cute. You can see it. This is kind of cute. But yeah, please comment down below if you think I should go all the way up with colors or if I should keep it low, because I don't know. Like, I feel like I have a lot of lid space, and when you have a lot of lid space, it's just kind of tricky, I guess, because I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I try, but sometimes you gotta ask for help. Okay, the colors that I'm doing is honestly reminding me like of a peacock. I don't know. Like, give this video a thumbs up if you think I actually chose decent colors this time that like go together in a way, and if they like resemble a peacock, because I feel like this is actually kind of cute if I knew how to apply it the correct way, you know? Okay, let me just try to even this side out with the other one, because this side obviously looks, okay, this side obviously looks a lot cleaner than this side, but to make it match, I'm gonna try to make it match. So we're just gonna raise this up just a tad. Okay. Oh, I hope these don't stain my lids because I have somewhere to be. I gotta be somewhere in a little bit. Does it look cute? I don't know. I can't tell. I feel like the colors and the look I was trying to go for at first was really cute, and then I just try to go farther and farther, and sometimes a little goes a long way, and I don't know if I know how to do that. I think I just need some guidance. So comment down below if you want to be my guidance. Whew. Okay, I'm just gonna add some white to put in the inside. Like, that might help it a little. I don't know. You tell me, do you think this decision I'm about to make of putting white on my eyelid is going to accentuate my eye more? Or is it going to hurt the look overall? Trying the white on. Oh, I think I did this wrong. Oh, it's supposed to go like right there. Ah!
No.
It was cute at first, but now we're going to take off the tape, see if this DIY hack works. Are you serious? Are you serious? That is so cool. Let's see how this slide looks. Oh my gosh, I love this hack. This is crazy. Look at how clean that looks. Okay, honestly, I feel like this doesn't look too bad, like, or as bad as it could have gone. It's not the best. I'm not perfect. I'm still learning, but I feel like this is a cute look. Look, let me take down my hair. Yeah, I feel like this look is cute. See, if like you didn't know what top I was wearing because I had a different outfit on and I'm just out and about. I think this look is pretty cute, but I am so impressed with that DIY hack. Like, look at how, just look at that. Let's take a moment let's take a moment and appreciate like how perfect that, like, this side actually looks decent now. Just look, let's pause and take a moment. Okay, so this is my final product of my lashes. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and I hope that I can get this off of my eyelids in the next like 20 minutes. But yes, please like this video and subscribe if you're not part of the family already. Comment down below if I should try comment down below if you think I should try different colors together. If you have any tips for me, if you could tell me like what brow space, like how much I should be putting, if I should put more or less than I do right now. And also comment down below just like if you liked it, you know, like the video, give it a thumbs up. And as you know that I close out all my videos with, everyone, male, female, boy, dog, girl, parakeets, lion, jaguar, I don't know, anybody in the world, whoever's watching this video, just be bold, stay strong, babe, stay beautiful, be who you are, be true to yourself, and make goals that you can accomplish so that you can move further in life. And I love you all, as you know. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.